morning. Sa video na to, mapapanood natin how to earn from iGo system. So basically, yung video na to is just focusing on the compensation plan of iGo. Now, what is our compensation plan? Our compensation plan is called Too Fast and Too Furious. Now, you might be wondering, why Too Fast and why Too Furious? It's too fast, it's double fast, and it's double furious because we combine matrix and binary. Double fast in the sense that matrix will give you faster ROI. Furious in the sense that we are giving you also a matrix called binary na mag-entitle sa'yo for an infinite income. Now, why is it double? Let's answer that as we explain the compensation plan. Okay? Now, let's talk about the double fast or the fast force matrix. Halimbawa, ito ikaw. You're the subscriber. Okay? You are the subscriber. Then you join $58. You were able to refer a friend. Nag-refer ka ng friend, shinare mo rin yung business, and nag-refer ka ulit. So meron ka ng dalawang referral. 2, 3, you're the number 1. You're the number 1. Your 2 is your direct referral, and 3 is also another direct referral. After that, yung 2, without you knowing, shinare niya rin yung business. He also did the same thing that you did. He also shared the business to his friend. Number 4, kasi yung pang-apat na pumasok, dun sa yung matrix. Dun sa yung cycle. After niyang ma-refer, yung isa niya pang friend, yung kabilang side naman, yung number 3 mo, nag-refer ng panibago. Why is it number 5? He is the 5th person who entered on the matrix. Okay? So, for the 6th person, let's say for example, yung isang side mo, yung si number 3 ang nakapag-refer. Again, number 6, he is the 6th person. Now, in this matrix, we call it 2 by 2. In order for you to complete the matrix and to earn from the cycle, you need to complete this structure. But in this scenario, meron pa bang kulang? Yes. This slot still missing. So, kung di na sila ang nakapag-refer, good news for you, you can still refer. Pwedeng ikaw pa rin na mag-sponsor, like in this situation. Number 7, kahit dyan siya nakaposisyon, kaya siya number 7, because he is the last person to enter into your matrix. Now, since it is forced matrix, once you complete the cycle, or so to speak, the matrix, it will entitle you for a $70 every cycle because it's already complete. But more than that, hindi lang $70. Remember, in this situation, you have 3 direct referrals. Congratulations! Per direct referral can also entitle you for a $10 every direct referral. So kung ikaw ito, naka-cycle ka na, naka-$70, may 70 ka na, meron ka pang tatlong ni-recruit, $10 times 3, 30 plus your 70, in just completing this cycle, you already have $100. Pero, paano kung lahat to direct mo? Paano kung lahat to ikaw ang nag-refer? Congratulations, $70 for the cycle, and $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, plus $60, that is a total of $130 for you. Kasi nakompleto mo yung cycle. Okay? And as it explained, $70, only 6 people under you, kasi ikaw yung number 1, it will complete a cycle. And it is a fastest spillover. Bakit fastest spillover? You don't need to complete a 5 by 5 cycle, a 3 by 3 cycle. Again, what do you need? Just a 2 by 2. Okay? So kung hindi ka masyadong maraming referral, nakakuha ka lang ng masipag. Let's say, nakakuha ka lang ng masipag. Siya yung pwedeng kumumpleto nung nakita titirang slots dun sa structure niya. Okay? Now, ano ba yung maganda? Why is this double fast? We already discussed the fast. Kasi madali yung ROI. May $70 ka agad, every referral, meron kang $10. Why is it double fast? That is because of the auto-follow-me structure. What is auto-follow-me? Auto-follow-me works this way. Going back sa scenario natin kanina, familiar with the previous example? Ito rin po yun. Nakakompleto ka ng cycle. Again, may $70 ka. Nakakompleto ka ng cycle. Aside from the $70, entitled ka na to re-entry. When we say re-entry, entitled ka na sa panibagong cycle. Remember, auto-follow-me follows yung placement na left to right and top to bottom. Ano yung left to right? Remember, nung una kang nakapag-refer, nilagay mo sa left. Yung sumunod ka nakapag-refer, nakalagay mo sa right. Ganun din sa kanila. That's left to right. Why is it top to bottom? Kasi nga, entitled ka na sa new entry, nakapag-cycle ka na, habang nire-receive yung $70 mo, pumapasok ka sa panibagong cycle. This is a new cycle. Now, remember, in this scenario, meron kang tatlong direct referral. Eh, tatanungin mo ako, meron na akong bagong cycle, kaya lang kailangan ko palang mag-recruit para makumpleto yan. It's a yes and a no. Pwede ka mag-recruit para mas mabilis yung cycle mo, but the good thing is, yung tatlong direct referral mo, pag sila ay nakapag-recruit or nakumpleto na nila yung cycle, automatic, they will follow you. That's auto follow me. Following pa rin yung left and right. For example, si number 2, yung unang nakatapos ng cycle, saan na siya mapupunta? New entry, but under you. Left. Nakapag-cycle din yung number 3 mo na nirecruit kanina. Saan na siya mapupunta? Right. So ilan na lang ang kailangan? 4 people na lang, nakakompleto ka na naman ng panibagong cycle. So that's why our force matrix is really double fast. Faster ROI, and because of the auto follow me feature, your downlines can help you to finish your cycle. Okay? So we all know that our compensation plan is double fast. More than that, it's also double furious. Bakit furious? Aside from matrix, force matrix, we also have the binary system. As we all know, binary system is the system na pwede kang magkaroon ng infinite income. That's not just long-term income, hindi lang long-term income, but infinite income. Meaning passive income at its best. Kaya siya furious because of infinite income. Why is it double? Again, tingnan po natin sa explanation of the binary system. Bakit double furious ang iGo binary system? As we all know, binary, you have left and right. For iGo, one referral to the left, one referral to the right, meron ka ng $2.5. Ganun po kadali. One left, one right, $2.5 na po agad sa yan. But again, baka ma-confuse tayo. In the double fast, double furious, you are maintaining two structures. Yung matrix po natin, wag po natin i-coincide po sa ating binary structure. It's two different entire structure. This is a new structure that I'm talking about. This is your binary structure. Now, what happens? Pag halimbawa, yung tao mo sa left, your referral sa left, nag-refer din siya without you knowing. And then, yung tao mo sa right, yung referral mo sa right, nag-refer din siya, that's another $2.5 for you. That's the beauty of binary system. That's how furious binary system is. Remember, hindi mo na sila ni-refer. Sila ay hindi mo nakakilala. Pwedeng kakilala, pwedeng hindi kakilala, but you earn from there. You earn from their recruitment, from their referral. Nag-earn ka kahit hindi mo sila kilala. Ganun po ka-furious ang binary system. So, ganun din po as the system goes. Also, sabihin natin, 2.5 per pair. How much per week? The good thing about our plan, wala po tayong maximum income per day. Hindi mo kailangan maghabol ng cut-off per day. Why? Kasi meron tayong 200 pairs per week. That is a total of maximum income of $500 per week. It's just your pairing. Again, this is on top of your matrix. This is a different system, income system. So if it's 200 pairs per week, that's $500 weekly. Let's review. Again, it's 2.5 every pair. Match sale. Nakikita nyo? Yan. Nirefer nyo ulit. Ito nga, hindi nyo nakakilala eh. How much more yung nirefer nila, mas lalong hindi mo makilala. But regardless, you still earn 2.5 per pair. So, is it not furious ang binary system? Ngayon, tingin mo, it's not big enough, 2.5. The good thing is, pwede ka namang hindi mag-limit sa isang account lang. You can even have 3 accounts. Ano pong benefits ng 3 accounts? Or so to speak, 3 headers. Imagine in this pairing, you earn. Okay? If this is also your account, may nag-pair dito, you also earn. If this is your account, may nag-pair dito, you also earn. That's how furious binary system. Lalo na pag may 3 accounts ka pa. As of now, marami na po sa iGo ang nag-3 accounts because they were able to realize that it's more furious to have that kind of account. Again, Bakit double? That's the question. That's the big question. Bakit double? Reality-wise, in terms of binary, kaya maraming nabe-burnout sa binary, tendency kasi, kailangan nilang i-balance. Kailangan balance yung kanilang structure. Dapat malakas si left, malakas si right, for them to earn yung ina-expect nilang income. And that is really a big problem with binary. But with our double furious binary matrix, consider the problem solved. Why is it problem solved? Because sa lahat ng direct referral mo, not your downlines, your direct referral in this system, you earn 20% of their income. Again, 20% of their income. So paano yan lalong ma-appreciate? For example, yung left mo, direct referral mo sa left, or yung left leg mo, hindi na nag-work, wala na nag-prepare, meron ka lang isang direct referral na masipag. Sa kasipagan niya, after a few months, he's already averaging $500 per week. Okay? $500 per week. Eh wala ka namang in-effort doon. That's his own effort. But because we are a double furious binary matrix, you are entitled for the 20% of his income. Balance, not balance, unbalance, kahit anong balance pa yan, you earn amount na hindi mo naman pinagtrabahuhan. That's the double furious binary matrix of IGO International. Okay, after knowing all the ways to earn with IGO, here I will present to you a specific illustration on how you can earn both from the matrix and both from the binary. With that, you can truly experience double fast and double furious income. So, paano po yun? For example, this is you. Ito kayo, subscriber. You paid the $58 subscription. Nag-join ka. Ito yung structure mo for matrix. Ito yung structure mo for binary. One thing that you need to remember, you are simultaneously building both structures. With that, you are also simultaneously building means simultaneously earning. So to further explain that, again, this is you. Na-share mo yung business. Na-share mo yung IGO sa friend mo. Itago natin ang pangalan ng friend mo sa pangalang Mr. 2. Okay? Si Mr. 2, shineran mo. Left to right. Remember? Left to right ang placement sa matrix. So pag na-refer mo siya, pag ni-refer mo siya sa business or in-sponsoran mo siya, he will be on your left. As long as available pa yung left. So that's Mr. number 2. Kung merong left and right placement sa matrix, habang nasa matrix siya, simultaneously, nabibuild mo rin yung binary structure mo, wherein, auto-place din. Left to right din siya. So kung nasa left siya, and available pa yung left slot sa binary, nasa left mo din siya sa binary. So, ano po yung makikita nyo maganda dito? Sponsoring one person, but opening your privilege to already two structures. Okay? Now, sobra mong nagustuhan si IGO. Hindi ka nagpapigil. Nag-refer ka pa ng isa. Si Miss number 3. Since left to right siya, meron ka na sa left, nasa right na si Miss number 3 in your matrix structure. Simultaneously, available pa yung right slot mo. Okay? Kasi meron ka na sa left. Available pa yung right slot mo. So, mapiplace din siya sa right, dun sa yung binary. Now, your question, your magic question. Sir, from that moment, how much did I earn already? Good question. Remember, in your first matrix, every direct referral is how much? $10. With this, meron kang dalawang direct referral. $10 plus $10, it will give you $20. That's for matrix alone. Simultaneously, you are also earning sa binary. Sa binary, ang principle ng binary, you have one left, one right for pair. It's $2.5. In this structure, meron kang left, meron kang right. You are now earning $2.5. $20 plus 2.5. Dalawang tao lang po ang ni-refer natin. Because of two structures, double fast, double furious, you already earn $22.5. But it will not stop there. Kasi hindi mo siya makokontrol si Mr. number 2 mag-share ng business. So, shinare niya rin yung business kay Mr. number 4. Again, following left to right, saan siya malalagay? Sa left. Okay? Nag-earn na ba si number 2? Yes, $10. Direct referral. Paano sa binary? May ilalagay siya. Ano po yung pinaka-available? Following left to right? Yung left. So, nasa number 4 siya. Left po siya ni Mr. number 2. What is this number? The number signifies kung pang ilang pumasok sa cycle. You're the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. Para less confusion po tayo. Now, nung nakita ni Miss number 3, na nag-refer si Mr. number 2, sabi niya, hindi pwede yan. Dapat ako din. Si Miss number 3, nag-refer din si Mr. number 5. Bakit number 5? Kasi he is the fifth person to enter the matrix structure. Now, following left to right, saan siya mailalagay? Sa left ni Miss number 3. Nasa matrix siya. Paano sa binary? Sa binary, first recruit or first referral siya ni Miss number 3, nasa left din siya. Sa binary ni Miss number 3. Question. Alam ko, tatanungin nyo na naman to. From that point of time, from that moment, how much do I earn already? Computin natin. Dito, direct referral or matrix, wala kang income here kasi hindi pa kompleto yung cycle mo. Although malapit na. Yung direct referral napunta dun sa iyong first level, dun sa iyong mga referral din. In the binary, si number 2, meron na ba siyang nag-pair sa left and right? Left pa lang, wala pa siyang right. No binary income. Miss number 3, meron siyang left, wala pa siyang right. No binary income. Pero paano ikaw? May dumagdag sa left, may dumagdag sa right. Congratulations, meron kang additional $2.5. Ang tanong, sa'yo ba itong referral? It's not your referral, but you are the one earning. So meron kang 22.5 kanina, meron kang 2.5. In this structure alone, in this point alone, you already have $25. So double fast pa, double furious. But more than that, hindi naman dyan natatapos. Hindi nagpapayag si Miss number 3 na parehas sila ng performance. Sabi ni Miss number 3, dapat mag-recruit pa ako. Hindi pwedeng yung sponsor ko lang ang may pay ring. So magre-recruit din ako. Magre-refer din ako. Nag-refer siya ng Miss number 6. Left to right, meron na siya sa left, nilagay niya sa right. Okay? So, number 6. Sa binary, saan pumasok? Di ba meron na rin siyang left sa binary, nilagay niya sa right. Nag-earn na ba siya? Congratulations, meron na siya paying income. Meron na siyang $2.5. But what's in it for you? Good thing is, tingnan niyo po yung matrix. Ilan na lang po ang kulang para makumpleto. Para makumpleto ang 2 by 2, you need 2 by 2 na tigda dalawa. So, isa na lang. Ngayon, nung tinignan mo yung structure mo, isa na lang. Magsa-cycle na ako. Kaya, nirefer mo ang business uli sa isa mong friend. Why is it number 7? The 7th person to enter the matrix. Now, with that person entering your structure, you already have 1 cycle. And what does it mean? If you have 1 cycle, you earn additional $70. But, in this scenario, 3 lang po ang direct referral nyo. Yung $25 pa na kinocompute natin kanina. Mamaya na kayo mag-compute. May binary pa. Remember sa binary, meron din tayong left to right positioning. So, dito po, may tinatawag tayong auto-balance. Napakaganda po nitong auto-balance. Sa ibang binary system, you need to spend time to check how to balance your leg. You need to spend time to evaluate sino bang malakas ko, sino bang weak ko. But with iGo, ayaw namin nabigyan kayo ng hassle, the system will do it for you. In this scenario, nag-auto-balance siya. Meaning to say, binalanse niya. Why? On your right, ilang tao na po ang meron? 1, 2, and 3. Nung wala pa si number 7, ilang tao po meron sa left? 1 and 2. Therefore, si system, ilalagay niya kay left to balance. So that's the auto-balance mechanism na meron lang po sa iGo. We don't want to give you hassle na kayo pa yung magbabalanse ng inyong grupo. Now, in this, remember you already earned $70 per cycle on the cycle alone. On the cycle alone. Here, you can earn $500 weekly on the pairing alone. On the cycle alone, on the pairing alone. Bakit ko sinabing on the cycle alone? Baka nakakalimutan natin na meron ka pang $10 per direct referral. Bakit ko sinabing per pair alone? Karamihan po ng problema sa binary system, which I know na makaka-relate po yung iba nating binary players, you need to maintain 2 strong legs para may nagbabanggaan or para may nag-prepare. But with IGO, kagaya na sinabi ko kanina, consider the problem solved. Kasi po, lahat ng earning ng direct referral mo, just your direct referral. So in this binary, sino lang ang direct referral mo? 2, 3, 7. Let's say, isa lang sa kanila ang nagsipag. Isa lang sa kanila ang gumawa ng business. Isa lang sa kanila ang nagpa 500 per week. What's in it for you? Congratulations. 20% of $500 per week will be your earning. So is it not double fast? Is it not double furious? When I go, you can earn double fast, double